When you write prompts for Veo, think like a director giving notes to a small, hyper-capable crew. Your job is to specify genre, tone, action, cinematography, look, and on Veo 3, sound. Open with the genre and mood in one clear sentence, then describe what happens on screen. Follow with the camera and lighting you want and finish with surface details, materials, color, weather, era. If you're using Veo 3, include audio direction because the model can natively generate ambience, foley, and even dialogue. For documentary realism, lead with environment and physics. Photoreal coastal marsh at golden hour, heron lifts off, water ripples, slow 50mm dolly, gentle breeze, warm backlight, soft haze. If you're in Veo 3, add natural marsh ambience, distant gulls, subtle wind beat foley. Keep the action small and believable. The model excels at grounded motion and natural light. For commercial or product work, specify composition and finish. Matte black smartwatch on slate pedestal, 9:16 vertical, 3-second hero hold, then 180-degree arc move, hard top light with edge rim, micro droplets, clean reflections. In Veo 3, you can request tight whoosh transitions and crisp click foley. If you're on Veo 2, write the visual exactly and plan to add sound in post. For horror, make lighting and rhythm do the heavy lifting. Dim motel corridor, sodium spill, handheld 35mm shallow depth, door creaks open a few inches, slow push breath fogs. On Veo 3, ask for low rumble, door creak, rising strings, but keep dialogue minimal. Short clips favor texture over speech. For stylized animation, define the rendering language rather than name-dropping studios. Hand-drawn cel-shaded look, bold line art, limited frames, saturated twilight palette, parallax city silhouettes, side-scrolling tracking shot. Treat color and line as first-class instructions. Because clips are brief, write beats with time words baked in. 0 to 2 seconds establish, 2 to 6 seconds action, 6 to 8 seconds resolve. This helps both Veo 2 and Veo 3 honor pacing within the 8-second envelope. If you are building sequences, Google's Flow tool can help you plan consistent multi-shot stories across scenes with Veo 3. Write each shot with shared anchors, wardrobe, palette, lens, and a simple through line so the sequence feels cohesive. Finally, write responsibly. Veo Vertex may require approval to generate people, especially children, so avoid risky scenarios and focus on clear, respectful depictions. State ages and contexts plainly when it's relevant. Great genre writing is precise but human. If you can say what we should feel, what we should see, and how the camera and sound should make that happen, Veo does the rest.